We have world-renowned researchers here at Washington University. They do cutting-edge research, both in terms of concept, but also in terms of technology.
The second track we have is the research investigator track, and that has classically been for people who are really interested in pursuing a career in academic medicine, largely basic science-driven. So these individuals complete the same first year as all of the trainees, but then their second year they're identifying a basic science lab that they then go into for 3 to 4 years and spend the majority of their time doing basic research.
You can work in any laboratory you want, anywhere in the university. It doesn't have to be in rheumatology. So a lot of people work in Dr. Virgin's lab in pathology. One of our fellows worked in Dr. Diamond's lab in infectious disease.
We have 8 independently funded research labs here at WashU within the Division of Rheumatology, starting with Dr. Atkinson, who is the chief of the division, and his lab is really focused on understanding the basic biology of the complement system and the impact that that has on a variety of different autoimmune diseases. Christine Pham is an associate professor of medicine in the division. She does work in a couple of different areas. She has different mouse models of both rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis, where she's identifying different immune effectors. Chi Shea is another associate professor of medicine here who works on regulatory T cells and their role in autoimmune diseases. I myself have a lab that's focused on type 1 interferons. In addition to that, we have Al Kim, who is one of our newer faculty members, and he does work on the role of lupus pathogenesis and immune regulations of kidney disease. And then we have 2 PhD faculty members who run labs, Minji Byun and Eli Roberson, who are both in the areas of human genetics. And they are trying to understand rare genetic variants that can contribute to different autoimmune as well as immune deficient disorders.
Dr. Miner's work focuses on studies of the innate immune system as well as viruses that may be linked to or may mimic autoimmune diseases. He first generated the first animal model of Zika virus infection in pregnancy and is doing human and animal studies of chikungunya virus, a mosquito-borne virus that causes chronic inflammatory arthritis in humans.
Dr. Yokoyama's lab is oriented towards something called natural killer cells, on which he's one of the world's experts. So there are many, many opportunities, and it really just depends on what the person is interested in. It's really all about choosing the right mentor.
Washington University has some fantastic immunology research. It's world-renowned. And with rheumatology having a significant amount of autoimmunity as part of the pathophysiology, I wanted to leverage the talent that we had here research-wise to be able to better understand autoimmune diseases such as lupus. One of the most valuable aspects about the rheumatology program here at Washington University is the caliber of our faculty. We have a wide variety of basic scientists that have generated seminal observations within immunology. We also have outstanding clinicians that are thought leaders within their field in rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, lupus. And this resource is tremendously valuable for the training for our fellows. The unique aspect of our training program is that our faculty and our fellows interact often, so there's a compassionate side to our program. But at the same time, we understand that we are generating future thought leaders and leading researchers within rheumatology. So there is a rigorous side that allows them to think critically about their work and other people's data. And this is, I think, the glue that makes our program so unique.